Okay, class?
Yes.
Class?
Yes.
Are you ready? Okay, before we start our lesson this morning, okay, we're going to read first our classroom rules. Okay, what is our rule number 1?
Raise your hand before you speak.
Ibig sabihin, if you're going to answer, you're going to raise your hand. Do not shout your answer. How about number 2?
Use appropriate language when answering.
Okay, how about number 3 rules?
Listen when others are speaking.
Okay, when teacher call your name or your classmate's name, all you have to do is you have to listen. No one will talk. Okay, how about number 4?
Ensure that we learn of our classroom.
Okay, how about number 5 rules?
Stay focused and follow direction.
Okay, so I'm going to post here our classroom rules and together with our behavioral chart. Okay, each group here, Ma'am Roxanne will give you 10 points. If your group are very noisy, Ma'am Roxanne will get 1 star or 1 heart. Is that clear?
Yes,
Okay, so this morning we're going to have our activity. This is what we call raise your hand. All you have to do is you're going to pick your answer. Again, rule number 1, you're going to raise your hand if you want to answer. Okay, are you ready? Okay, number 1. Which has, everybody read?
Which has more bags
Box A or box B? Oh, what's your answer? Yes, Ma Carnel? Okay. So therefore, can you count the bags in box A? How many in all? There are? Okay, how about box B? So let's check if your answer is correct. Okay, so therefore, 6 is more than 3. Okay, next. How about this one? Okay, everybody read?
Which basket has lesser?
Okay, by the way, what do we mean by lesser? Lesser means? Okay, which fruits of basket has lesser? Yes, Junilin. Letter? Okay, by the way, how many fruits of bananas here on letter A? How about here on letter B? So therefore, 4 apples is less than 6 bananas. Okay, let's check if the answer is correct. Okay, very good. Junilin got the
Hi ma'am, good morning. As a teacher, how do you handle your students?
good morning. So, as a teacher, so you're going to establish the classroom rules. So, as what you have observed earlier, so I'm reading their classroom rules so that they're aware that they observe sila by the classroom rules.
Thank you.
Thank you.